This is Rosalie Eberhard and I am sharing a beautiful discovery with you. This video is designed for people without knowledge in higher mathematics, but what I'm explaining here is all mathematically proven in my paper. I am leaving the preprint link under this video. In cell division, the nucleus splits and forms two new cells. If these divide again, we have 4 cells, and so on. With each step, the number of cells double. So this is called an exponential growth. Here you can see an AI-generated animation. We transfer the sequence of numbers, which results from the doubling, into a scheme. With each step, we move the digits 2 decimal places to the right. We are using the variable n, that is standing for a natural number, counting up from 0. As each number doubles with each step, mathematicians would say the sequence is formed by the term 2 to the power of n. We consider this notation as decimal places, so imagine that there's an O at the front. Shifting to the right then corresponds to dividing by 10 for each decimal place. Also 10 to the power of 2. And that is 10 to the power of minus 2. The doubling and the shifting form this term. This Greek letter, sigma, simply means add this term up for changing values in n. And that's what we're doing next. Sum it up. First part is simple forward. Then we have to go from the right to the left, as the sum might be larger than 9, and thus we have to transmit the 10 to the next column on the left. This can be proceeded till eternity, while the numbers get larger and larger. And I discovered that after 42 digits, the number sequence started over from the top. Again, the sum of the doubles, shifted by 2 to the right, forms a sequence over 42 digits that repeats over and over again, no matter how large the number. Now we have derived the term that is the core of the mathematical structure. I modified the term a little bit, shifting everything 2 more steps to the right, so all digits are decimal places. Get ready to dive deeper into what this term leads us to, discovering the limit in part 2.